Welcome everybody, TheMadRambo here. So I want to speak to you about something that can enhance your streams, whether that's on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Trovo, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or if you're just creating videos. So there's a program out there called Lumia Stream. It's been out for a while. It's just had its 6.2.12 beta release. This will be fully released in about 2 weeks-ish. There's a couple more things coming in. But this application can run your lights, filters, OBS scenes, overlays, Spotify, shout-outs, chatbots, everything, all in one package that is easy to use, easy to understand, and easy just to keep up to date instead of having 20 million things, different websites you're having to use. So let's get into it of a couple of things that you can do, which I've set up just to show. So we're going to our follower emotes here, our followers, alerts should I say. So I'll just press this and it's just a test of exactly what would happen when someone follows my stream.
I see you.
Light Yagami, I see you.
So what did we have happen there? The lights turned off, we had a filter on our face, we had pause off Spotify, we had an OBS overlay, all crazy, right? Subscriber, we'll test this one that I set up.
It's party time.
Lumia stream has just subscribed.
How cool is this, right? Yes, it looks stupid, but that's the whole point. Let's bring engagement back into streams. Let's bring the fun back into streams. And this is exactly what happens with Lumia Stream. This is exactly what you can create. I've been making videos on this of how we create these, how we can create other things. I'll post them everywhere, YouTube, TikTok. So make sure you follow me, give me a like, subscribe, whatever platform you're watching this on right now. But yeah, we will be back and we will be showing you more of Lumia Stream. Have fun, guys and girls.